Peace of mind and body. 7. I had a thought which I wanted to share. As all people have not been created the same, they are bound to disagree on certain things. In matters related to religion and those which differentiate between lawful and unlawful things, a Muslim must remain steadfast on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, irrespective of who challenges or disagrees with them. But in matters where the choice is between two lawful worldly options, a Muslim is entitled to offer their opinion to others when they are requested to. But they should not waste their time nor stress if others disagree with their opinion. When one holds onto these disagreements over time, they can cause enmity to build up between people, which can lead to fractured and broken relationships. This can even result in the sin of severing ties with people. So in cases like this, it is important for Muslims to let things go and not harbor a negative feeling towards someone who disagrees with their opinion and choice. They should instead push themselves to agree to disagree and move on from the situation without any ill feelings. The one who fails to do this will find themselves always arguing and possessing enmity for others, as they are bound to disagree with others on certain topics and issues due to a difference in their characteristics and mentality. Understanding and acting on this advice is a branch of finding peace in this world.